Really, it's about the magic that happens when women gather together, and it's an exploration of, our connection to self and our connection to other women and our connection to the earth. And a lot of what I witness is women coming in that maybe some people don't really have any women friends. Some people have big trauma with other women. We all have our own insecurities. And my goal is to create a space of inclusivity and a space that's really free of shame and a space for women to just show up and be themselves. And what I witness over just a handful of days is, women going from being really insecure and shy to just really opening up and letting themselves shine. And I watch women learn to trust themselves. I watch women learn to trust each other. And my role as a facilitator is really just to help lead the mystery and to create a structure and a space for magic to happen. So really tuning in to the particular group and just doing my best to guide and to lead that exploration into the unknown.